Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install NetBeans on Windows 11. NetBeans is a popular IDE for Java, PHP, C++ and other programming languages. Open your browser and go to the official NetBeans download page. Click on the download for the latest version and choose the Windows installer version. NetBeans requires Java Development Kit to work. Download it from their website and install it by following the on-screen instructions. Now locate the NetBeans installer file, double-click on the file to start the installation. Click Next to accept the terms of licensing agreement and choose the installation directory. Default is fine. Ensure GTK is detected and click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once installed, click Finish and open NetBeans from the Start menu or desktop shortcut, and you can start coding. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.